All right, friends. So for Module 1, you're going to do lots of research reading. What is research reading? Research reading is when you read a text about a specific subject. For us in 4th grade, we're going to be reading lots of different types of texts on poetry, poets, or the people who write poems, and other ideas related to poetry. You're going to follow the directions that I give you right now, and we're going to take you to a site called Epic Books. You may have heard of it already. You're going to use getepic.com/students. I did it for you here. You type in, see at the top, getepic.com/students. We'll bring you to a page that looks like this. If you're in Wyoming, you're lucky because your class code is right here, and you can just copy this class code right here. I'm going to do it for you. SPL4344, and you'll hit go. But if you're in Metro or CU Boulder, you're going to have a different code and you'll have to wait for your teacher to send it to you. But if you're in Wyoming, you can use this code. So you'll hit go, and it will take you to your classroom. This is my classroom. So again, if you're in Wyoming, you'll be in this class, but other classes, Metro and CU Boulder, you'll have different classes. And in here, I'm going to put books for you specific to our research topic, which is poetry or poems or poets or other ideas related to poetry. And you'll see in Miss Ciesla's class, you'll see different options for your research reading, and I'll let you know how to do that. For today, all I want you to do is log in to getepic.com/students, use your class code, and I want you to look around and maybe search some of your own books before I assign you any books. So when you're ready, you're going to get getepic.com/students and use your class code, and maybe I'll put some books in there for you. But for now, I want you to just search up your own research reading.